In this video I tell about how to activate Saily eSIM. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. You can see that I am in the official support page of Saily. They can say that you can find the instructions for your device inside the Saily app after you purchase a data plan. Alternatively, you can take a look at this guide. This guide is related to one-click setup. For this you need to consider these steps. Number 1. Purchase an eSIM plan and click check your eSIM plan. Number 2. Click install eSIM. They recommend to do it straight away. It won't start your data plan. The process takes several minutes. Choose primary if asked about the line setup. Number 3. You will receive a prompt on your device. Click allow Saily to use your phone's eSIM. Number 4. Click continue to perform installation. It might take a few minutes to activate your eSIM. Number 5. At the Saily app, you will receive a notification confirming that the eSIM has been installed. Number 6. Before traveling, be sure to activate your plan. Activation require an internet connection. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.